In our previous class we discuss about balanced diet. Balanced diet are the different type of food that provides adequate amounts of the nutrients necessary for good health. Composition of balanced diet. Balanced diet contained the following: carbohydrates, proteins, fats and oils, minerals, vitamins, water. Importance of balanced diet. It builds the body. It is growth and repair of body tissue. It gives energy to the body. It protects the body against diseases. In today's class we will be talking about balanced diet, proteins. Proteins. This are body-building food. Identification of body-building food are: animal origin, meat, fish, milk, egg, yogurt, etc. Crop origin: beans, soybeans, groundnut, etc. Diet is a vital part of bodybuilding. Eating protein foods in the appropriate amounts that provides your muscles with the nutrients they need. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.